Hey bud. Yeah, well thanks. Hey guys, this is Brendan with eScooter now in Brisbane. We're just doing a live on the new headlight from eScooter now. The new headlight design does not shine any light in pathwalkers' eyes as they're oncoming. So we're going to basically just put that into low beam. That's just two LED drivers. And that's just, the low beam is only like 10 watts. And then if we hit the remote button to bring the high beam on, those extra two, and that's about 80 watts, and that's with the wide, that's 100 watts. So we're going to turn that all back off. I'm going to turn on the power again to the headlight. Sorry, that's just so you know.
It's stronger than the car.
This here is my headlight. Okay, so I'm just going to bring the ambient lights on again.
Yeah. Oh shit.
And they're good. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you for the next minute is going to be with the headlight turned on low beam. Let's bring them up.
Oh yeah, the light
So you've got that, and now this is the high, medium beam. Here we go. There, the spot, and then there's with all high and wide. Now the new product that we're producing is going to have a hood. So I'll come back to that low beam. I'm going to stand in front, and it's glaring.
Yeah.
And everyone can't walk like this.
Fuck yeah.
Because they can't see shit.
Yeah. That's what you need, eh?
So the new hoods that will sit here,
Yeah.
well, you can see that pathwalker there,
Yeah.
off his t-shirt. We'll bring it down and they'll screw on. You can attach them and they come in different lengths based on your rider style of view.
Man.
And because you've got...
Where can I buy this light from?
Sorry?
Where can I get this light from?
So you'll be able to get these globally through eScooter Now's TurboTorch range.
Oh yeah, from the
There's a light switch here too, which is the same as a remote, but it's just... See how you go low, medium, high?
Yeah.
Press, press, press. Back to low. That's the remote button that plugs into it. Same. Low, medium, high. Back to low. But if you want to turn it off, you just press the main power switch for the normal headlight so there's no power.
Yeah.
Turn it back on, it fires up. There it is low. Yeah. So if you're riding from low, you bring it up to high beam. You've got your mad light. And then you want to turn it off with this button and press it again. So double click that, power cycles back to low beam. So a quick switch between high and low for practical, quick tactical adjustments.
Do you have any lights that you want to get rid of? You want to sell?
Sorry, do I have any lights that I want to sell? Yeah. What I want to do is I want to actually sell them.
Yeah, because I've got no light there, I just need one.
Yeah, I know you have.
Yeah,
well, you've got this one.
It doesn't work with pop. It's fucked.
Sorry, let me just move my video. I'm doing a live recording for these ones. So, with this particular device here is an e-bike, and it's just a common electrical e-bike. The headlight circuit that's provided through the MA connector on these e-bike connectors is a native system voltage. It's a 36 or 42 volt device. However, they'll only support a very small amount of current because it's actually probably not even that voltage, it's with a buck converter. So most e-bikes, they're running 12 volt lights or 5 volt lights. This is a native 60 volt battery, 72 volt battery light, and it'll go to 90 volts maximum. So there's no buck conversion or transformer to drop it down to 12, and that means it can run 100 watts of power at the full 10 amps. Not even 10 amps, it's only 1.2 amps. Whereas because this is only 12 volts, you would need to run like 10 amps, really thick wire, which it doesn't have, and you can't put that output, it'll short, it'll blow out. So there's a smaller version of this headlight that just has 2 or 3 LED. It has less current draw, only 30 watts, and this wire will only deliver 20 watts. So you wouldn't be able to use even the smallest $100 fixture that we have
still going to be extra.
because of that. However, we do the harness cable from the headlight fixture down, and you plug in through battery. Through like the charging cord or the discharge cord with a wire splitter. And then you just plug it in there, and it can sustain the brighter wattage, the current that you need for that. But the main thing we're doing here today is we're going to show hoods like this that shield it, and how they will design, and if it'll be on these two and these four, and what needs to be available
Oh, yeah,
in the kit.
Yeah.
So the ones you'll be able to get later this year
Yeah.
will have all these accessories to hood as your preference.
Yeah.
It's the same thing, but it's got an extra hood that
Yeah,
attaches.
design that yourself.
Yeah, so I've got to get the design right for
Yep.
the length and the size of the hoods,
Yeah.
like this,
Mhm.
you know, like this.
Yeah.
And then it won't shine in the people's eyes,
Yep.
but it will still shine like
Okay.
a car,
Yeah.
like a German EV standard.
Yeah. Did you do this yourself too? This light in here? Or does
That's
it
a
come up?
standard factory scooter
yeah?
headlight. Scooter.
How fast does this
strip
go?
light. How fast does
Yeah.
your scooter go? Top speed,
Yeah.
110 kilometers per hour.
Oh, you try 110 already?
I tried about 80.
Yeah. That's all right, eh?
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, but it's more the torque and power and
Yep.
responsiveness, and the brakes,
Yeah,
4-piston brakes,
yeah.
pulls up, stabilizer for the steering,
Yeah.
good suspension, dampener,
Yep.
adjustable.
How much did it cost you? the
This
scooter?
one 5,000. It's the
5,000, yeah.
Ferrari Porsche scooter,
Oh,
right?
is that what it's called?
Yeah. It's a Teverun.
Yeah?
There's Carbo, there's NAMI,
Yeah.
top 3 brand, like Toyota, Holden,
Yeah.
Ford.
That's one of the top ones.
This one, yeah, best.
Does it have like
Far ahead.
a control, like a remote control, everything you can lock it? and
Yes,
safe
yes.
Control, like,
Yes, you can't steal it.
yeah, that's what I mean. Like you
No,
just gotta have something.
no.
eh,
Beep, beep,
yeah.
beep, beep.
Yeah.
Turn off.
Even if they're riding it, you can turn it off.
I can see where it is on the computer.
Yeah,
on
but
the
if
app.
somebody,
GPS,
yeah,
GPS.
yeah. If
Well-
somebody take it off, you can switch it off instantly.
Yeah, I can disable when they ride. Yep.
You're mad.
Yep.
That's
Yep.
good,
No,
eh?
it is mad. I went last week to the factory. in
Yeah?
Summer.
Somebody ever tried to steal it? You locked it?
This
You got-
one?
Yeah, you got them. You catch them.
Oh, I don't really
Yeah,
leave
but
it out.
It'll be funny, eh, when they do that. You straight away you disable it. turn it
No,
off.
no,
Yeah.
exclusive, unique.
Yeah.
No one else.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
No one touch it.
Anyone
No.
touch it, you can still like turn it off. and they can run.
Well, yeah, but I can see it. Everyone,
Yeah. True, eh?
no one will steal it because
Yeah.
it's the only one in Brisbane,
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
city.
Oh, yeah, true,
No one
eh?
else has it. This
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
many of these, yeah?
Yeah, I
Common,
understand.
popular.
Yep.
This one, no, very new, very
Yeah.
new.
No,
Yep,
I can
yep,
see
yep.
it. That's
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, but I can recover them,
Yeah.
and they get stolen
Yeah.
from the coffee shop,
Yeah.
and then he picked it up there yesterday,
Oh, yeah.
and then a week later,
Yeah.
they're stolen again.
True.
You go and recover it 3 times.
Yeah, they can be
GPS
cheated,
tracker,
yeah,
always
yeah.
get, always retrieve,
Yeah.
always
And when you hit the
recover.
brake, the light turns on, right? That light.
Yes,
ding,
yes.
Ding, 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 ding.
This also red light,
Yeah. What about this
but
light?
the brake light on the back. See the brake?
What's this blue light?
Very bright.
How do you?
Yeah, no, we're brighter
I think
than
the
any.
front light, the front
Look
light,
at it, left, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, indicator
Oh, yeah.
on the switch.
Mad, eh?
Yeah, so I got a mad switch,
Yeah.
a new one with the rocker switch, left, right,
That's
side.
a car, man. You know, almost.
Sorry,
That's almost a car. It's a car, yeah.
it's a vehicle.
Yeah.
Yes.
You should put a seat on it. You know, you can put it.
No seat. No. Stand up, right,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this.
Yeah.
Move your body. You can't ride in a seat. No.
Nah,
No.
it's not gonna be.
On a bicycle,
Yep.
you stand up.
Yep.
You sit down when you want to sit.
It's more dangerous if you put a seat
It's
on it.
dangerous. You can't. No, yeah. The motoring body here, RSEQ, they say they should have seat,
Yep.
but the seat
Yeah.
is not good.
Yeah, because you can't turn right.
In
You
Europe,
stop
in Europe, they said seat must have seat.
Yep.
So everybody put seat on, and they put the seat on and drill the holes through the battery, cause a big fire.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
And also the seat, the weight of the seat, the body seat,
Yeah.
it bend the scooter
Yep.
and bend the battery.
It's no good at all.
It causes fire.
Yep. What sort of light do you have? You have any light? You said you got some light that you wanna extra light.